In this alpha review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to get 100% free traffic by leveraging the power of WhatsApp Messenger. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page and every single one of the upgrades. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Alpha, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. One last thing before we jump in here, just want to show you my bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. Got a ton of special bonuses here. All of them are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you pick this up through my link. Before we take a look at the sales page here, just for those of you that are unfamiliar with this, we're going to be talking about WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp is a very popular messaging platform. You probably use it yourself, or you at least know some other people that use it. I personally have it on my phone. I use it almost every day. A really popular way of messaging people. Now, instead of just using it for your personal life, you can even use it as a marketing tool using this software. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's first WhatsApp traffic solution. Push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. It says autopilot traffic in 23 seconds, made for absolute beginners, never before seen solution, work from home, prove the naysayers wrong, yada, yada, yada. So essentially what this is, and if you look past all the hype that they have on the sales page, and it's pretty hypey, they've got some income claims here, which I'm sure that they've made this money. I don't know if they've made it using WhatsApp marketing. I'm always skeptical about that, but and they've got a big flashy car here. But I'm going to be showing you not just what it shows you on the sales page here. I'm going to show you what it actually does inside this review here today. So you'll know what's actually going on here. Because a lot of times these sales pages are pretty blind when it comes to what these softwares do. But I am impressed by the fact that it does tell you what the traffic source is. The traffic source with this is WhatsApp. Now you're going to make hundreds of dollars like by clicking a button. Probably not, at least in the beginning. You're going to need to build up a list of WhatsApp people in order to do that. You're going to need to have people that are giving you permission to message them. If you do it and you just scrape a bunch of emails or a bunch of numbers from somewhere from people who don't want you to message them, you're probably not going to get a very good result. You're going to get a lot of angry messages back from people. But essentially, yes, what this does, it lets you message people. They say that they did tests here. Now, this is what they say that they did. Now, I am unable to verify this, but this is what they say. They said their first test, they made $500. Their second test, they made 700, and then their third one, they made 1,200. Now, these aren't like crazy results here. They might be using some kind of WhatsApp marketing and getting some results. It wouldn't be unheard of for that to happen. But again, I'm unable to verify any of these claims here. So I just want to make sure you guys know that. This right here, I've seen this screenshot about a million times while doing these reviews. I think people just keep on using it over and over again. But with WhatsApp, like if we get down to what it really does, what WhatsApp marketing will allow you to do is to market to people, to send mass messages to people via WhatsApp Messenger and have them show up inside of people's inboxes. And on top of that, they give you a way of monetizing that as well. So before I take you over to the actual like members area, I want to show you here, if you come to the sales page, if you are considering picking this up, you're going to want to move your mouse away because you can get a $5 discount if you do that. And I make less money as an affiliate by showing you that, but I always want you to get the best deal on the software. So please give me a like if you like that I show you that. I appreciate it. So let me bring you over to the dashboard here. This is the dashboard for this product. It has a bunch of different stuff in here. They've got a thing where you can search for deals. Now, what this is kind of like the monetization aspect of it. So they've tried to make it into like a traffic and monetization tool here. So what you can do is you can find an offer to promote. You can check out like the sales page for the offer. You can click on here and it'll take you over and show you the different the sales page for the offer that you can potentially promote. And then it will give you the grab deals is where you would go over and you would apply for your affiliate link for that product. So you can go over here, grab the affiliate link for it, and potentially start promoting that product. So this right here, it's a little bit off topic. I guess I understand they're trying to give a monetization, a way of monetizing. So this is something that you can use that they've added inside to the software. They've also added in a creator. Now, what the creator does is this is an ad creation tool. This is kind of neat, actually. Like you can pick one of these ones here. Like this one has a video going on the side. Like I can pick this one right here. It's got this little video playing right here. I can go over and I can change that video out using this. Like I can search the library. I can search for like, I don't know, make money here, and it pulls up a graphic. If I just search for money, I know it gives better results here. So yeah, I can grab one of these. I can pull up one of these things that says you're about to change it. I'm going to replace this video right here with this other one. And look, it lets me change that. I can click on these things and change. Like you can change the different what's written here. I'm obviously I'm messing it all up here, but like you can go in here, you can change all that. You can add in your own images to it. You can search the library of images. You can add in text. You can upload stuff into it. You can add in different elements, audio. So this will allow you to create like a little ad that you can add into your WhatsApp messages. So it's kind of a little addition to what this does. Probably that comes from one of their other softwares that they've kind of just added it into this, but that's a nice extra little, think of it as a little bonus for this. Now here's where this comes in here, like what this does. So what you do with this is you can actually create lists of people. Now for this, you can add in the WhatsApp numbers, one per line, and you just add in the phone numbers right here on this line. So you add all that in here, and then once you do that, you create a list. You add in all your little numbers there, and then you can create a list of this. You can create use a delay between number sending, so you can make it look a little bit more realistic when you're sending to people, and then you can save that. You can have all your different numbers here, save that, and then what you can do with that list of numbers is you can schedule out different messages here. You can put messages in here, like you can paste in a whole thing here with like your affiliate link for something, with images, and that's where the image creator comes in. That's why they have that in there, and then you can go and you can preview what your message is going to look like. You can add in different images and stuff into that as well. You can add those different images and videos and stuff to your message, and then you can essentially go and you can share it out there. Now, if you set up your account here and you share that out, you can share that out there. I don't have it going out to a certain number right now, but you can make it so it goes out and you can send it out to all these different numbers doing this. And you can make it go to as many or as few people as you want. There are some limitations on the front end. I believe for your numbered list, it's up to like 500 people. If that's, I saw, yeah, there's like, they have like 500 messages a month, it looks like with this one. And then there are limitations that are removed on the OTOs. So that's essentially the front end. They do have some automation in some of the OTOs as well, and some extra features there. So let me bring you into those and show you exactly what you're going to be getting with the upgrades. Okay, so this is the first upgrade. It says unlimited free buyer traffic in just 1 second. So you get unlimited traffic. They've got 50 extra resources, unlimited campaigns, unlimited accounts. So you can have different WhatsApp accounts in there, unlimited messages, unlimited one-click videos that you can create with it. Just it unlocks the unlimited aspect to this. Now, what you want to do when you come to this page, if you're considering picking it up, is move your mouse away. You can get a $20 discount off this. And on all of these different OTOs, make sure you do this because again, I want you to get the lowest price. Give me that like for that. So again, I'll make less money, but you guys get a better price for this, and I want you to get the lowest price. So that's the first one here. Move your mouse away. On the second one, you get a $130 discount, brings it down to 67 for the second one. This is done for you. It says done for you traffic for this. So I'm not quite sure how their done for you traffic is going to work. Most likely, it's okay. Done for you setup, done for you. They say done for your sales, done for your traffic, private Rolodex. So a bunch of done for you stuff with this one. Make sure you move your mouse away. The next one here, again, move your mouse away. You get a $10 discount for this one. This is going to add up an autopilot feature for this. So it'll make it a little more automated, and just make sure again that you move your mouse away and you get that lowest price on that. The next one here, move your mouse away, you get it down to $29. It's a $10 discount. This is going to give you 200 money making templates for this one. And the last one, if we move our mouse away for this one, you get another $10 discount, bringing that down to 29. It says 50 times click and go campaigns. So it just gives you extra campaigns to click and go with this. So again, these are all optional upgrades. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. Never feel pressured that you have to get them all. It's up to you what you want to get and what you don't want to get. So, what do I like about alpha and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, obviously, a lot of these sales pages, they're very, very hypey, making big claims of tons of money to be made. Yes, you can make a lot of money online. Yes, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but you should have realistic expectations whenever you are getting any kind of these softwares. Like, you just know that they're hyping it up, but I want you to know what it really does and what's really behind the hype here for this. So it's a software that lets you do WhatsApp marketing. Don't spam people. Don't grab a bunch of people's numbers that you don't know and start messaging them. Make sure you have people's permission to message them before you start sending them broadcasts. What do I like about it? I like the fact that this is actually a way of getting traffic. I like the fact that they've revealed the traffic source on the front end offer and showed it to you. If you're interested in doing WhatsApp marketing and you want a very inexpensive tool in order to do this, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Alpha, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video again, as it really helps out with my channel and I appreciate it. And if you've made it to the end, you might as well hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.